Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package is coming from Sneakersnstuff. I won a raffle, their online raffle for these. These are actually fairly easy to get. They actually sell. So, but let's crack this open right here. And it seems like the hype on these have died down. I guess since this company is producing a lot more of this shoe than before. So, but again, once they produce a limited supply of these, then of course the hype will go back up. But again, just a receipt from Sneakersnstuff right there. Oh, what the hell? Why is there blood on this thing? Because I'm not bleeding, but there's a blood mark on. Fuck, whatever. But yeah, Yeezy Boost 700, made by Adidas. Right there. You got Yeezy Boost 700, made by Adidas. Yeah, where the hell is the blood coming from? All right. Let's crack this open right here. Let me just make sure that there's no other blood on me. Because I'm not seeing any blood other than here. These right here. And again, these are the version 2. So just do a quick spin of this shoe right here. Oh yeah, what is the colorway? The colorway is Geode. That's the, you know, again, 10.5. Since it is coming from Sneakersnstuff, they don't have, that's basically their tag. So, all right, so you got this, the gum bottom right here. You got the exposed boost. You got the Adidas branding. So the pattern up top is a little bit different. I believe these are 3M right here, the little stripes. You know, you got the 3 stripes right there. You get the, you know, the laces, which I believe are also 3M. And again, you got the mixture of materials on the upper. You got this very nice, I guess like suede up top here in the toe box. Got a little mesh. So, and then inside you do have, as far as, I believe it's Adidas Ortholite, I believe. Yeah. So Ortholite, Yeezy, Adidas, right there. Again, you got the boost inside. But yeah, just a quick look at this shoe. Again, since, you know, again, there are probably a lot of people looked at this shoe already. You got the tag right there. And again, you got the little chip inside. But yeah, just simple colorway, you know, not too flashy or anything like that. But again, they use, you know, the leather, mesh, suede. So just different materials on this shoe. So, right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Right, YouTube. Peace out. Just a quick look at the shoe with the flash on. As you can see, the 3M on this shoe.